Shanghailander Palace Restaurant is located at 1440 South Baldwin Avenue and near the intersection between Camino Real Avenue and South Baldwin Avenue of Arcadia, California. Shanghailander Palace is a popular Chinese restaurant, serves Shanghai cuisine to customers, and store owns a large parking lot. Customers also can take Metro bus number 268 to come here. The Shanghai cuisine refers to complex styles of cooking developed under the influence of neighboring Jiangsu and Zhejiang provinces of China. The dishes within the cuisine need to master the following three elements: color, aroma, and taste. Every dish in this restaurant is very colorful, with smelling good and rich taste. Although the dishes are a little pricey, I still feel food are so tasty and memorable, different from regular Chinese restaurant. I also visit the new cake place at nearby Arcadia Plaza. The matcha cake from JoMi Cake is really great after Chinese food. JoMi Cake is located at 713 West Duarte Road inside Arcadia Plaza. JoMi Cake currently shares space with Duke Bakery.